Hi everyone, I will show you how to view Instagram stories you have already seen. First of all, open the Instagram app. Now you can see I will seen all the stories. Now you need to swipe left all the stories to the end. Now here the story I have recently seen. Now you can see these stories again. If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.